Everyone knows that Herod the Great wanted Jesus dead because he's afraid of losing power. But only a few know that this conflict started 2,000 years ago, back when Esau lost everything to Jacob. Now, let me explain. Jesus was from the lineage of Judah, Judah, the fourth son of Jacob. And Herod the Great, he was an Edomite, meaning from the lineage of Edom. Edom means red hair, which is another name for Esau. Esau and Jacob, they have a conflict 2,000 years ago when Esau sold his birthright to Jacob, and father Isaac, the father of Jacob and Esau, gave the blessing to Jacob instead of Esau. Now, let's trace back. I've been reading the Bible since 2020, and after 5 years, just now, I just read the New Testament, which is the first one is Book of Matthew. In chapter 1 states the genealogy of Jesus. Then the second chapter states the wise men, the visitation of the wise men, right? And when the wise men came to Jerusalem, Herod saw the potential threat to his power, which is baby Jesus. And you know the story, Herod says, "Come back," right? But the wise man had a dream, never came back. Then Herod felt he has been tricked by the wise man. He became furious and he sent to kill all male children in Bethlehem, in all that region, who are 2 years old and below, right? So the story tells that they went to Egypt and stayed there, right? Because they were afraid. And in that chapter 2, I saw this in chapter 2, verse 6, there was a prophecy from Micah or Micah. Chapter 5, verse 2, right? But you, Bethlehem, you are too small to be among the clans of Judah. So, clans of Judah is the biggest tribe in the tribe of Israel. One of you will go out there to be the ruler of Israel. So now, if you're a king, you should know these prophecies, right? These are the Old Testament books, right? And if you know this prophecy, right? And now there was this wise man who actually like looked for Jesus, the newborn king, then you would freak out, right? Because it's a repetition of history. History repeats itself. Way back then, 2,000 years ago, his ancestor Esau lost the birthright, lost the blessing to Jacob, right? And now Jesus, the descendant of Jacob, he will now again claim the throne, right? All over Israel. And Herod the Great would be what's going to be left to him. It will be a history repeat itself, right? And yeah, so that's one of the reason why he freaked out, right? It's 2,000 years of conflict, right? Because he know that the feeling of losing everything to someone because of some prophecy, it does not sit well to great Herod, right? Then if we dig in, right, Judah is one of the 12 tribes, right? 12 tribes of Israel, and tracing back the genealogy of Jesus, the lineage, Jesus, the father is Joseph, right? Then going up, there is King Solomon, wise man Solomon, right? And then uh, the father is King David, who defeat Goliath, right? Then Jacob's father is Isaac, right? These 12 tribes of Israel, also known the 12 tribes of Jacob, right? Jacob's name was changed to Israel. And again, going back here, the father is Isaac and the mother is Rebecca, right? Then going up here, that's Jacob. The father is here. The father is Isaac, right? Isaac bore two sons, Jacob, which again was renamed Israel by God, and then Esau. As I mentioned, Esau, his other name is Edom or Edomite, right? And yeah, see their descendants are Edomites. And I actually like ask, what does Edom mean? Edom means red. And going back here, talking about Edomites. Then I asked, who are the famous Edomites? Then these are the famous Edomites, right? Amalek. Amalek is the grandson of Esau. Then they had this aggression over the Israelites. Is another story. Hadad, Hadad the Edomite, a king of Edom who opposed the king Solomon, right? Then Herod the Great, the Edomite who became king of Judea and is infamous of ordering massacre of innocents 2 years old and below in Bethlehem when Jesus was born. So yeah, so this conflict is actually like 2,000 years, right? And it's repetition. History repeat itself. And I have a lot of questions in this. And again, after research, I found some clarity, and maybe some other time we'll discuss about it. And yeah, it's very interesting to know that Herod the Great was an Edomite, and Jesus was a lineage from the lineage of Judah, from Israel. He's an Israelite. So it's again the fight between Israelites and Edomites. And I hope you learned something today, and have a great day.